what's happening, guys? We are currently in some city in Spain just outside of Barcelona. What's the name? Tossa de Mar, on the coast of Spain. And what we're doing today is a comparison video between an FPV drone that I've got right here and a typical DJI drone. Today I'm gonna be flying my Mavic 2. We're gonna be getting some footage from Misha from his Mavic 1. So, gonna take the drones out, rip around the city a bit, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what each one looks like so you can choose if you wanna do FPV or a DJI. Starting off here, this is footage from my Mavic 2. I'll go over equipment at the end of this video and get really into details about that, but I'm just jumping straight into footage for now. You can see it's really smooth, the horizon is level, and DJI drones have really been the standard for the past couple of years. You can pretty much pick them up in one day and already be out flying and be flying pretty well. So the learning curve is not very hard. Switching over to FPV, the drone that I fly is a TBS Oblivion, and that's a GoPro Hero 7 on top of it. As you can see right off the bat, it's much different. You don't have to keep that level horizon, and you can get really close to things because you're in complete control of the drone. And you also have goggles on, so it really feels like you're a pilot. You can also do flips, rolls, dives, and other moves that just aren't possible with the DJI systems. That's not without sacrifices though. The learning curve for FPV drones is super tough, and since it's fully manual, there aren't any safety measures. For example, if you're flying a DJI drone and you're like a kilometer away from yourself and all of a sudden you lose connection, the DJI drone is just gonna fly right back to you, whereas with FPV, it just falls out of the sky and you're kind of screwed. But the creative freedom that an FPV drone gives you is unmatched. You can do absolutely whatever you want in the sky, and with the wide angle of the GoPro, the shots you're able to get are just really unique and creative. So I hope that gave you a little bit of a better understanding of the differences between the two drones. Now I'm gonna hop straight into equipment. Alright, so welcome to the gear video where I'm gonna show you exactly what gear you need to fly FPV and fly Mavic. Also, this is clearly not Spain anymore. We are in Iceland right now at this really cool basalt canyon. That's just life on the road, always moving around. But without further ado, this is the gear. So this is my FPV drone. It's a TBS Oblivion, and as you can see, there's literally just a GoPro strapped on top of it. So it's not an all-in-one system. It's the drone part with this camera here that actually feeds to these goggles, and then the camera that actually records the video is right here. And as you can see here, the controller for the FPV drone is huge. You can find bigger ones or smaller ones, but they're roughly about this size. Alright, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is a Mavic Platinum. No, it's just a Mavic. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Mavic. And I don't have my Mavic because I crashed it in Mongolia, so it's getting fixed. But this is my brother's Mavic, which is exactly the same one that I flew earlier in the video. This is the entire drone, controller, everything in one bag. So if you come in here, you see the Mavic folds up super nicely. It goes into this little small pouch. The controller is right here. And all you do is fold these down like that, and then plug your phone in, and that is your video feed. So I'm gonna put these back in the case and just show you the size differences. So right here is everything you need to fly FPV, whereas if you're flying the Mavic system, it's literally just this. So there's definitely a lot more gear involved, but the differences you can totally tell on video.